Good morning, class. So, today we are going to learn about HCM and LCM, understanding highest common factor. What is the full form of HCF? So, highest common factor. And what is the full form of LCM? So, lowest common multiple. So, let me start. Okay. So, today's agenda, demystifying HCF and LCM. So, introduction of HCF and LCM, it is the core definition and importance. So the division method, then solve example step by step solutions for clarity, then relationship and applications, they connect to real life. So what is the highest common factor? HCF definition and concept. The HCF is the largest number. It divides two or more number. There is no remainder. It is also known as the greatest common divisor. Think it as finding common ground. It is the biggest common divisor. Highest common factor, so largest number of devise two or more numbers without remainder. Then greatest common divisor is advisor term for HCF, highlighting the its role as a divisor. Next is method to fighting HCF, prime factorization and long division. So prime factorization, let we see the first concept is prime factorization terms into the prime factor, identity, common factor, multiply them. Then long division method, divided in the large number by the smaller, the last non-zero remainder is HCF. HCF solved example step by step solution. So let us find the HCF of 24 and 36. So prime factorization, 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to, then the 36 prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So what is the HCF? So common number 2 into 2 and into 3, it is the common. So 2 into 2 means 2 2s are 4, then into 3, so 4 3s are 12. Yes, so answer is 12. Then long division, so 36 divided by 24, remainder is 1, right? So 36 is equal to 1, so remainder is 12. So 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2, so HCF is 2 and remainder 0. So both methods yield the same result. Answer is same, right? Prime factorization, as per prime factorization is answer is true. Then long division method, answer is also 12. What is the lowest common multiple? Means LCM definitions and concept. The LCM is the smallest non-zero common multiple. It is shared by two or more numbers. It is a fundamental concept in mathematics. It helps in solving problems, especially those involving fractions or lowest common multiple, smallest positive number, it is multiple of two or more numbers. Then least common multiple, it is then name of for LCM, it emphasizes its minimal nature. Method to find LCM, prime factorization and common division. There are two methods to find LCM. First one is prime factorization, then second one is common division. So in the, I think in HCF there are two methods, prime factorization and long division. And in LCM prime factorization and common division. So what do you mean by prime factorization? So let's prime factorization is a power of multiply them, and then common division, so divide numbers by common prime factors, which is very easy. Multiple all divisors and remaining the numbers, so we get answer. So LCM solved examples. Let's find LCM of 12 and 18. Prime factorization. First one is 12. So 2 into 3 is equal, and 18, 2 into 3 into 3. So highest is power of 2 into 3. So 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 3s are 36. So answer is 36. LCM is 36 by the prime factorization. Then the second is common division. So let me see the common division method. Divided by 2 means 6 and 9, and divided by 3, 2 and 3. So remaining 2 and 3. So 2 into 3 and 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, right now, and 12 3s are 36. So answer is same. Understood everyone? By the prime factorization and common division, answer should be same, but there are two methods. Both are I think both are simple, right now. So next let me see the relationship between HCF and LCM and real life applications. What is the relationship? So for any two positive integers a and b, the products of their HCF and LCM is the equal to the product of the numbers themselves. HCF means a and b into LCM means a and b, so is equal to a and b. Now we apply in a real life. So as we told in a previous lecture, mathematical concepts are not should be limited for the book study only, and in book life also, book study, it is also useful for a real life, and it is applicable in our also real life. So first one is scheduling events. So find when events occur simultaneously. Then fractions simplifications, and next is measuring quantities. So while measuring quantities, while fraction simplification, and while scheduling events, this HCF and LCM are useful, or we can apply in real life also. Now let me revise one time before going to start our question answer session. Okay. So what we learned today? So we learned HCF and LCM. Yes. So anyone can tell me the full form of HCF? Yes. Very good. Highest common factor. And anyone can tell me the full form of LCM? Yes. Lowest common multiple. Right. So what is the definition of highest common factor? Yes, the HCF is the largest number. It divides two or more numbers. There is a no remainder. It is also known as the greatest common divisor, GCD. Okay. The think of all finding common arounds is the biggest common divisor. Okay. For solving or for find out the HCF, there are two methods. First one is prime factorization, and second one is long division. Understood? And we solved it also through the prime factorization and long division. What is the difference? No, there is no difference. Answer is same. Method is slightly changed, but answer should be the same, and both methods are easy to solve and easy to understand. Okay. So anyway, anyone you can choose as per your preference. Okay, both are easy. Next is what we learnt about lowest common multiple. What is the full form of LCM? So lowest common multiple. Yes. So anyone can tell me the definition of LCM. The LCM is the smallest non-zero common multiple. It is shared by two or more numbers. It is fundamental concept in mathematics, and it helps to solving problems, especially those involving fractions. Okay. So, as per the HCM, SCF, for solving or to find out LCM, here also the two methods. First one is prime factorization, and second one is common division. So, same we see one example, and same as per the HCF, LCM, uh, same two methods. There are two different methods, but answer should be the same, and both are very easy and simple to understand. Okay. So HCF and LCM is not applying or not applying in only the book study. It is applicable for our real life also. Okay. So there are key takeaways. So before starting our question answer session, I want to ask you, everyone knows about HCF and LCM. Okay, everyone knows definitions, everyone knows how to solve. There are two different methods. They are very easy, simple to understand, and answer should be the same. Understood everyone, na? Okay, now let's start our question answer session. So HCF and LCM, note it down. Okay, HCF and LCM are critical concept. So essentially for the number theory and problem solving. Then second one is multiple method, exists for finding them. Prime factorization or division based on preference. They have practically applicable applications to simplifying factors. They are useful. Thank for attending. We now open the floor for questions. Okay, so everyone note it down and solve the practice set 31, and if any doubt then ask me in next lecture. Okay, understood everyone this concept, HCF and LCM? Very good. So let's doing practice. So while we practice, then a particular concept is easy to solve and easy to understand also. Okay. Okay, thank you so much everyone.